I was gonna make some decorations for Halloween, but something's missing.
Well, I'd be interested to see how you do.
Oh, okay. Well, it's very easy.
This being a job application.
Well,
Oh!
Hi guys, it's me, Indiana Jones, and if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I usually go live every night at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is going to be pre-recorded. Why? Because this is part of Halloween Hop 2020. Yes, on Friday the 30th, which is today, we're going to be sharing some of the best of our creators that wanted to share their favorites from this holiday season. Yes, Halloween holiday season. So if you're wondering what to make or what to do, or just feel inspired on this day right before Halloween, check us out. And what a Halloween hop means is that we're going to link different videos on each video right below in our description. So you hop to the next video right after mine, and on and on and on to the next video. Why is that so important? Well, comment on each video and get all the way to the end, and you'll be entered to win a gift certificate from Amazon. The information is in the description below, but let's get started with my craft right now. So I was thinking, what does everybody worry about at the last minute on Halloween? And usually it's, what am I going to wear? And sometimes you don't want to wear a full outfit, but if you have a nice black top for you women out there, you can make yourself a Maleficent headband out of these. Yes, these paper towel rolls. If you notice, paper towel rolls are twisted, kind of like Maleficent herself, right? So all I'm going to do is cut along this twist halfway through, and you'll see what I can do with this twisty. So what we're going to need is, of course, a headband, 2 paper towel holders, and you can use toilet paper holders, but they'll make smaller horns. This is to make the Maleficent, the famous Maleficent horns, a glue gun, and black masking tape, or you can also try electrical tape. I'm using gaffer's tape, and it's just black because I don't want to make this very difficult. Now, I made some Maleficent horns, and I covered them in feathers. They're really, really pretty. So we're halfway through. I'm going to cut a little more. Just a little more. So there you go, halfway through. Now, what this is going to allow me to do is twist the horns and make the little bend. You know how the horns bend a little bit? So before I do that, let's get some tape ready. Because this is all it's going to be covered in, is this black gaffer's tape. Gaffer's tape is what we use on set. I'm an independent actress, and I can't get the tape off. Don't you hate that when you see the end of the tape and you can't quite get it to open or unstick? Why is this doing to me now? And this is not being edited, this is live, so you see the struggles that I'm going through as I make this. Oh, like something as simple as that. What I love about this tape is you can just rip it. So I'm just gonna rip a few pieces just to have them ready. And they're just about 2 inches long. You can do the same thing with duct tape, black duct tape. You can make it shiny, you can make it dull. This one's dull, which is kind of what I like. I might have to cut a little more. There we go. And then you just twist it into shape. See how the horn is just coming into shape? You didn't have to do much. Just keep twisting it. And there you have it. Now it's pretty long. You might want to shorten it just a little bit. And the way you do it is just keep cutting. I want to cut all the way down. And you might also want to cut this in half too, just to make it a little easier to work with. So it's pretty much like 1.5 inches. You see how naturally it already starts curling on itself? So let's just start curling this together. See how it makes it easier to get that curl? Just put one within the other. And there you go. And she has like a curve. So this is the first curve right there. See that? And now, here's the second curve. Just put one inside the other and twist. And that's what I love, is that it just naturally curves in that way. So we're gonna hold this little curve right there. And then get a couple more pieces ready. So I'm just going to do one horn because I don't want to bore you or tire you. But get all the way to the end of the hop. You'll see how I used the same technique, covered it with feathers, and the results I got. So that's the fun about doing the hop and getting all the way to my last video. Now just cover the rest. Then here's your headband. Wait, and I have a little piece left. 10 minutes. I'm trying to get this done live in less than 15 minutes. Possibly. If it's possible. And that's what I have this here for, because we're going to cut. This was a headband that had like 2 little things coming out of the top. And I thought, oh, how perfect is that way I can measure where I want this and how long. That's a little too long, so I might cut this down. That looks better. She had them like this, right? I can't remember how Maleficent had them. I think she had them that? Was it like that? It's kind of like that to the back. Okay. And then we're just going to cut a little indentation for the headband to go through. Just like that. secure this down with some tape. It's already glued down, just to secure it, cover it. And if you wanted to, and I think that might be a cute idea, is just cover it with ribbon, just like this. Just like they do in the Disney Maleficent, well, in the original. Minutes. I'm doing a bad job because I'm trying to rush through it. But you get what I like to say, the gist of it. You get the idea. Perfect. Just enough. And there you have it. So that's just one of the horns for Maleficent's headband. I think it's pretty cool. Again, I can just twist it so it's like more, looks like a unicorn now, I know, because it's just one horn, but you get the idea. That's what you need to do for the second time from the other side of the horn. Now, check back with me later. You'll see how and find out more about our Halloween hop and our giveaway. Remember, comment below and go to the next video and continue hopping along until you get to the end, and you'll be entered for the win to start your holidays off right. Thanks again for watching. Hope you have a very safe, blessed, and happy Halloween. And as I say every night when I say goodbye to my friends, stay safe, be kind, God bless each and every one of you, and remember to live the adventure. See you later. See you at the end of the hop. Bye.